Welcome student. Good morning. Myself Mr. Bhausai Tabhade, your geography teacher. Student, last 2 years we learn geography, but it's a small part. We learn new trends in social study. 4th and 5th standard we learn social study, part A history and part B geography. But 6th standard in this academic year your geography subject separately divided. This is your 6th standard geography textbook, new trends in discovering the world. This is a geography textbook. So student, first we discuss about some important information, introduction part of geography. Geography means भूगोल. क्या है geography में? Geography is a study of the whole earth surface. There are number of physical features in the earth surface like mountains, plain, plateau, river, desert. These are the physical features or all the physical part and human activity, the relation of physical activity and human man-made activity, these all the study included in geography. Understood? There are important some concept of geography. For example, latitudinal and longitudinal distance. What is meaning by latitude and longitude? We already learned in 5th standard latitudinal and longitudinal grid system. Correct? There are important 6 chapter in this lesson. 6th standard. There is a 6 important topic. First, representation of geographical features. Second chapter, landform. Third chapter, third A, water bodies, ocean and sea. Next, third B chapter, water bodies, lakes and river. Chapter number 4, agriculture. Chapter number 5, minerals. Chapter number 6, A, study of continents, North America. Chapter number 6b, study of continent South America. These are the contents syllabus of geography in 6th standard. So dear student, today we start the chapter number first, topic number first, representation of geographical features. Geographical features मतलब mountain, plain, plateau, desert, these are the geographical features. These are all the geographical models represent on the earth or representation. Understood? First, we learn this chapter number 1, page number 11. The earth is a very large in size. We cannot see the whole of the earth in its actual size and shape. Therefore, we use models, photograph or maps to see the earth or any part of it. You must have seen a photograph of the earth. What is the shape of the earth? It is a round like a ball. This shape is called a sphere or a spherical shape or geoid. Student, our earth is a third number planet of solar system. There are 8 planets. There are 8 planets in the solar system on our Milky Way galaxy. On our Milky Way galaxy. Earth is a third number planet. But Earth's size and shape is a very vast shape. For example, this is a imaginary diagram. Our Earth is a spherical shape. Our Earth is a spherical shape or geoid shape. This is the North Pole. This is the South Pole. Okay. This part is Eastern Hemisphere. This part is the Western Hemisphere. Our Earth is rounded, spherical shape. There are 7 continents divided on this earth. हमारे अर्थ पे कितने कॉन्टिनेंट है? 7 कॉन्टिनेंट. The imaginary location of this continent, for example, Asia continent, Africa continent, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica continent. These are the 7 continents on the earth Asia continent located here and India is a part of Asia continent. हमारा इंडिया यहाँ पे है. India is located here. India is a part of Asia continent. So my point is that our earth is a very vast shape. हमारे अर्थ की साइज कैसी है, बहुत बड़ी है, इसलिए हम एक जगह से पूरे अर्थ को देख सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. So we cannot find all the physical features in one place. So that's why we use the maps, globes, that types of features, that types of elements. Map is very easily clear border of the all the earth, and globe is a true model. Globe is a true model of the earth surface. Look at the picture. This is a globe. Globe is a true model of the earth surface. It is round like a ball. हमारे अर्थ कैसी है? बॉल जैसी है. This shape is called a sphere or spherical shape. In fact, the earth is not a perfect sphere. It is slightly flat or depressed at the poles. The best model of the earth is a globe. A globe is a three-dimensional scale model of the earth or other spherical celestial body such as a planet, star or moon. The word globe comes from the Latin word globe meaning round, mass or sphere. Globe is a three-dimensional model. Globe is a three-dimensional model of the earth. There are 71% water bodies surrounded on this continent. There are 7 continents, but land is very less on the earth's surface. Only 29% land. हमारे अर्थ पे कितनी जमीन है? Only 29% land, and remaining all the part means 71% part on the earth's surface is water. 71% part on the earth's surface is water, covered by water body. So that's why our earth is also called blue planet, because most of the part water on the earth's surface. Water is covered by most of the part. Land only 29%. These are the 7 continents on the earth's surface, and other part totally covered by water. So that's why globe is a three-dimensional feature, and each and every physical part cover on the globe. हम globe को देखते हैं तो हमें पूरी अर्थ पता चलता है, अर्थ कैसी होती है. Understood globe is a three-dimensional model of the earth surface. Page number 12. Features of the globe. A globe is a true model of the earth. A globe shows the parallels of latitude and longitude. The division of the earth into 4 hemispheres is clearly visible on globe. The shapes and size of the continents and oceans, etc. are also shown accurately on a globe. Distance and directions are also represent correctly on a globe. Some important points, important features on the globe. ये ग्लोब से हमें अर्थ का क्लियर विजन दिखाई देता है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, ग्लोब इज अ ट्रू मॉडल ऑन द अर्थ सरफेस एंड द एक्चुअली शो लैटिट्यूडनल एंड लॉन्गिट्यूडनल डिस्टेंस. ग्लोब से हमें क्या पता चलता है? लैटिट्यूड एंड लॉन्गिट्यूड. लैटिट्यूड एंड लॉन्गिट्यूड, व्हाट इज मीनिंग बाय लैटिट्यूड? लैटिट्यूड मीन्स imaginary parallel line run from west to east. It is called as latitude. Biggest latitude 0 degree, biggest latitude, it is called as equator. Equator is the center of the earth's surface, and equator is a same two equal part of the earth. One part is called northern hemisphere and another part is also called the southern hemisphere. Same parallel line run from west to east. It is called as latitude. Understood? Then another next, longitude. Longitude means imaginary parallel line run from north pole to south pole. It is called as longitude. The central longitude 0 degree, central longitude, it is called as prime meridian. all longitudes are semicircle. All longitudes are semicircle. These are the latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes को बोला जाता है अक्षवृत्त और longitude को बोला जाता है रेखावृत्त. Understood? These are the latitude and longitudes clearly visible on the globe. हमें ग्लोब से ये अच्छी तरह से दिखाई देते हैं लैटिट्यूड एंड लॉन्गिट्यूड. The division of the earth into four hemispheres is clearly visible on the globe. There are four hemispheres on the earth. Globe is clearly visible on these four hemispheres. For example, this is the central equator. The central equator. This is the northern hemisphere and this is the southern hemisphere. Understood? Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Same thing. This is 0 degree prime meridian. 0 degree prime meridian. This part is called western hemisphere and another part is also called this part. One part is eastern hemisphere and another part is western hemisphere. So globe is clearly visible on the four hemisphere on the earth surface. Understood? The shape and size of the continents and oceans are also shown accurately. There are 5 big water bodies and 7 continents on the earth's surface. The exact location on the continents and water body the clearly visible on the globe. Understood? Distance of direction are also represented correctly on the globe. Distance and direction, north direction, south direction, east and west direction, these are all the cardinal direction perfectly shown on the globe. Next point, as we know, a globe is a model of the earth in its true shape. So a globe is very useful to us, but the use of globe pose a number of problems. First of all, the globes are difficult to carry. This problem is solved as the folding globes are now available. These globes can be inflated with air and when they are to be carried, the air can be taken out. Such folding globes can be carried in your pocket. But there are some other difficulties in the use of globes. One cannot see the entire surface of the earth at a glance on the globe. Detailed information about landforms, roads, railways, towns and villages etc. cannot be shown on a globe. For showing such details we use maps. There are some important problems handling on the globe. By the traveling, this is very difficult carry on the globe. अगर हमें टूरिज्म के लिए जाना है तो हम ये ग्लोब को लेके नहीं जा सकते. But modern techniques, there are folding globes available in the market. But are some difficulties on the globe because the small point, railways and the tour map and villages and small cities